from the rain. It's pouring outside. I found a purple tree with purple leaves. It's totally not that rare at all. It's kind of rare, but it's not that rare. Anyways, side information. My mom, my sister, and my dad are all three at work. Which that just leaves me and my sister at the house home alone. And Mom trusts us to be home alone, but she also said we needed a shower to go to the fancy mall, so I'm basically getting a shower right now. Don't decide I'm gonna take a shower, but I hate taking showers. Yeah. Anyways, it's pouring down rain right now, and my sister is literally asleep, and I already know she's gonna sleep until like 12 at lunch. And I'm soaked, which I don't care. Everybody, they're probably awake by now if they didn't stay up all night like me and my sister. Except I do stay up all night. Except I actually get up in the morning. My sister does not get up in the morning. We're almost at my house. It's so wet outside. Oh my god, the wind is picking up. And I feel like I have a cold. It'll start for like an hour trying to get in the house. I lost the key. I think I dropped it somewhere. Somewhere around here. Just my luck. Like, I feel something. I feel something on the ground. Oh my god, I found the key. Finally, oh my god. I can finally go inside my house. This is like my second time this year getting locked out. The last time my mom caught me sneaking out of the house, and let's just say I got grounded for like 2 months for just sneaking out of the house. So if my mom caught me right now sneaking out of the house while it's pouring down rain, they're all not at work. Yeah, basically be grounded for the rest of the year. Yeah, here comes the major puddle. But do I care? I think that is your answer. No, I do not care. Oh my god, we're finally home, and I found the key. I'm so sorry the mess, I dropped it. There we go. Welcome to hell. Well, like school hell. Okay, now I need to dry you guys off. Let's get a blue towel. Because I don't know why I said that. But whatever. I don't have a lot of space to just remake this video, so yeah. Fucking fuck it. I can cuss now as loud as I want. Because nobody's home. Which is a relief, except my annoying bitch sister. Here, guys, it's gonna go black for a second, but that's only because I'm driving right now. Hola, guys. I'm filming right now on like my camera on my tablet,